If you are trying to recover your TikTok account that was deleted and you're finding a hard time, this video is for you. I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how I managed to get mine back. Now, as you're getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, go to TikTok and then go where you can log in from. Now, make sure that you choose use phone number, email, or username. Press right there, but I have been trying several times and was showing me that my account is unavailable. So go ahead and choose either using the phone number or email. So me, I was going to use the username. So I went ahead and continued with the username after submitting it. Now, after submitting the username, I reached where I have to put the password. Since I've been finding a hard time, I had to press on need help logging in. So I was brought on this page whereby they were telling me to look for my account. They showed me the recent logins, but they were not helpful. Now I had to enter the username again. After entering the username, I pressed on search, but they told me no results. But you can see right here there is a red search, can't find your account. Make sure that you press right there. Now after pressing right there, they brought me to this page talking to the TikTok support team. Now I had taken a screenshot of my TikTok account profile before, but if you don't have it, you can go ahead and not submit the screenshot. But I had it, so I went to my gallery and chose the profile of my TikTok account. After submitting the screenshot, if you don't have it, just go ahead and type what I typed. I just typed that, please, I can't find my account. Make sure that you type in, please, I can't find my account, just like that, and send. After sending that, TikTok had to respond to me, and they are responding. So they brought me this information, as you can see it right on the screen. They brought me that information. I went through the information but I realized that it wasn't that helpful to me. So I just went ahead and typed in more message for the TikTok team, as you're seeing it right on the screen. So I told them that I've given them a screenshot of my account and how can I get it before it gets permanently deleted. But if you don't have a screenshot, you can type in your username right there so that TikTok can look for your account. So the TikTok support went ahead and responded to me, as you can see. So let's wait for the response. So they brought me that information and it was somehow helpful, but I had to scroll to the bottom to look for the feature that allows me to log in from the TikTok support page right here. So you can see there is a login button right here. You don't have to go back. You have to press on login right on the support page. After pressing on login, it just looked like this. They brought me again to the login page, but right there showing me that reactivate your TikTok account. So that is how it happened. I pressed on reactivate and I was logged in my TikTok account. You can follow the steps as you're seeing. Let me show you my TikTok account right there. I managed to be logged in again, as you can see. And that's how I managed to do it. I'm going to show you the profile also. That is my profile. You can see that is the account I was trying to log in, but there was no way. Follow those steps, you will get your account back on TikTok. Like and subscribe.